Welcome to Paige Careers. It's easy to get started. We start by uploading our existing resume or pasting any career content, like a bio. Within minutes, Paige processes our rough content into a fully structured, modern resume with dedicated sections for summary, experience, and education. You'll see an overview of Paige's changes to your resume in the chat box. Just above, you can click on Get Questions or Get Recommendations to get prompts to build more specificity. You can also zoom in on a specific role. Here we selected our job at Caterpillar and clicked Get Questions to generate questions Paige has about that role. Paige notices that this entry still had bracketed placeholders, so we click on that question to incorporate those details. After typing in our edits, we submit them. Once the suggestions come through, we click Apply to push the changes into the resume, and finally hit Accept Changes to lock everything in. Now let's see what else Paige can do. If you go back to the full resume view, we can ask Paige anything. Here I'm asking it to tailor my resume to a specific job. I simply upload that job and see the recommendations Paige has for my resume. Always check out the chat box to see Paige's explanation of the changes. Here you'll see that Paige thinks, I'm kind of overqualified for this job, but it will offer some recommended edits to my resume that I can accept or decline. You can ask Paige even the simplest thing like, what other changes would you recommend adding to make my resume sound more professional? Paige is designed to be used conversationally, almost like you're talking to your own experienced resume writer. Now don't forget to save your resume versions. You can save as many as you want so you can keep track of your applications during a longer job search. Now you're ready to download your resume. You can download your resume in PDF or in Word anytime you want and as many times as you need. Paige will never gatekeep your resume. Paige is simple, powerful, and helps you write a resume that is unmistakably you. Let it help you build your resume today.